Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by choosing a TTS engine and why it matters. Voice quality, latency, and cost affect the result. Once chosen, install the SDK or CLI and fetch your API key. Make sure to store it in an environment variable so you avoid exposing credentials. Now prepare your source text. Clean up punctuation, remove typos, and tag language or headings. After that, select an output format and a sample voice. This gets you into the first actionable state quickly and reliably. Once you have text and a voice, format it using SSML or lightweight markup so the engine understands pauses and emphasis. This explains how to control pacing and emotion. Then split long documents into 30 to 90-second chunks. That prevents memory issues and lets you run parallel requests. Make short tests, adjust speaking rate, pitch, and punctuation handling, and listen for unintended pauses. As you iterate, compare versions to understand which changes improve clarity and why they matter for listeners. Finish by exporting your polished speech to the desired format, MP3 for small files, WAV for high fidelity, and set bitrate and sample rate intentionally. Then integrate the audio into your workflow, embed files, implement streaming where latency matters, and add caching for repeat playback. Verify licensing and accessibility compliance. Deliver transcripts and metadata so screen readers align. If something goes wrong, check the audio logs and compare input text with rendered SSML, mismatched tags.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.